Founded in Hengli, Dongguan in 2006, Edison's Dongguan plant began its operations with optical transmission components. As Edison's first overseas production base, the Dongguan plant builds on 20 years of optoelectronic expertise, expanding into optical sensing and high-precision products to meet the demands of AI and smart home appliance era. Today, our Dongguan plant has not only fully integrated this exceptional quality system into its LED module and light strip production lines, but has also established an automated luminaire production line. By empowering manufacturing through technology, we continue to create irreplaceable professional value for our global clients. We build a closed-loop quality system from incoming materials inspection to final products. We introduce AOI and X-ray into our IR and SMT processes, and utilize integrating spheres to ensure traceability for our products. Our reliability lab performs thermal cycling and environmental tests, using data to ensure reliability for every batch. Our Dongguan plant combines quality systems and smart manufacturing to be the trusted partner for global clients.